Hey, boys and girls, I'm super excited about our big PBIS assembly today at 3 o'clock, 3:05. It's going to be a great time. And I've been so proud of how you've been showing the 4R, so we're going to be doing a lot of celebrating. Right now, I want to talk to you about how you can help us in the lunchroom. And the lunch ladies have asked for some assistance, so let me talk about it. The first thing they need help with is this. When we go through the lunch line, yes, there's always juice and there's canned fruit and fruits and vegetables, and you can have one of each of these along the way. But here's the deal. You need to take them the first time you're through the lunch line. What's happening is some kids don't take them and then come back up and try to get them. We can't do that. So take the fruit and the vegetables the first time you go through if you want them, and everything will be okay. All right. So get your fruits and vegetables the first time through because you can't come back up. The second thing we need help with is this. We do a great job with our share cart. This is where we put items that we don't want to eat, but someone else might want to eat. Here's the deal with this. The rules are you can only take one item from the food sharing thing or cart at a time. So sometimes kids might go up there and grab three different juices at the same time. Nope, that's not allowed. We want to give everybody an opportunity to have some of the shared food. Now, if you get back to your table and you eat that one shared item, you can go back up again. But we're going to ask you that you wait. The third thing that we need your help with is this. The lunch ID system. Starting next week, our kids who are in first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, we are going to be moving to a system where all of your IDs are going to be kept in a 3-ring binder that your paraprofessional is going to have with them. When you come to lunchroom, the nice thing is all the lunch IDs will be there. What you're going to do is you'll grab your lunch ID, and so in this case, Woody takes his ID, and you'll notice that he has a number by it, M23. It stands for Mr. Matheson, and number 23. When you take your ID, there's going to be a spot left over. And the nice part is there's a number right there to tell you where to put it back. You'll take your ID, you'll go through the lunch line, and here's the deal. As soon as you go through the lunch line and you put your tray down, before you sit down, you're going to put your ID back on the 3-ring binder. Now, if you want to get seconds, that's not a problem. You'll just get back up, you'll grab your ID, go back through line. But the key here is that you always put your food down first and then go put your ID back right away. The nice part about this is you'll always have your lunch IDs when you get down there. And the reason we're having you put them back in the booklet right away is this. We don't want any lunch IDs left on your tray and then you throw away your tray and we don't have an ID for you. So remember 3 things. 1, we want you to make sure that, hey, when you go through the lunch line, that you get all your fruits and vegetables at one time. 2, if you're going to take things from the share bin, take only one thing at a time. And then finally 3, when we start to use this new lunch ID system, it's going to be great. You'll have them there, but the key is when you go through the lunch line, you scan your items, and you put your food down in your tray, go put your ID back in the booklet right away. And if you need it again, you can always grab it. All right? So that's it for our lunch stuff. Now, here's the deal. To get ready for our big celebration, we're going to pick some classrooms to help participate in this. And the first one is we're going to pick 4 classrooms where that teacher's going to come up and do a contest to maybe win your classroom some prizes. So let's spin our wheel here and see who our first classroom is. Ooh, who's going to be the first classroom? Who's going to be part of that contest? Ooh, this teacher is, it looks like it's Miss Hamlin's class. Miss Hamlin, you're going to represent your classroom. Let's see. And you're going to go against 3 other teachers. The second one, oh boy. Oh boy. Miss Davis. Miss Davis's class. Miss Davis, you're going to be participating. Let's pick 2 more teachers to see who's going to participate today at our big PBIS assembly. They're going to represent their classroom, and it looks like it's going to be Miss Allison. Oh boy. And one last teacher's going to participate for their classroom. Here it goes. Let's see. Oh. Miss Manning. So we got 4 teachers that are going to participate in our first contest. Now, we're going to do one other contest, and I'm going to need 3 classrooms to participate in this one. And teachers, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to spin the wheel right now, and if your classroom wins, you need to pick out 2 people to participate when we get into the gym later on today, okay? Okay, I've got the wheel reset. We're going to pick those 3 classrooms right now. Here we go. Oh boy, who is it going to be? It looks like it's going to be Miss Miller's class is going to be one of our three classrooms that are going to participate. Miss Miller, remember to pick two kids so that we're ready for the big competition. All right, let's do two more. And it is going to be Miss Weir's class. Oh boy. And the last class that's going to be participating in the contest. Here it goes. Everybody's got a chance, but only one's going to get in there, and it's going to be Miss Shaw's class. All right, so those three classroom teachers, you need to pick two students to participate in our game later on today during our PBIS celebration. So finally, with that, last part I want to talk to you kids about is this. For us to have a great celebration, I need you guys to be respectful. Here's how you can do it. I need you, whenever I raise my hand like this, to put my hand up with five. I'm going to say, give me five, and I want everybody right away to put their hand up and be quiet right away so we can get a lot of games in. So if I say, give me five, hands go up, everyone's quiet so that Mr. Mack can get on to the next game, prizes, and so forth. It's going to be a great time. We'll see you guys at 3:05. Have a great day.